please subscribe.
I'm 3D printing a relatively easy bracket for a LED light for a camera. I'm printing with PLA and with an 8% infill. The bracket needs to be long enough so that the light will be away from the camera. The bracket has a protrusion, you'll see here a boss, and then it's a 1/4 inch diameter hole where the light screw goes through, and then you can screw it down with a bolt. The nice thing about 3D printing is you can make multiple copies and try each copy and see what works the best, and if you make a mistake, it's relatively cheap to start over compared to with metal where you could be very expensive. So the protrusion or the boss on the left will slide down into a sleeve, and then you're seeing the 1/4 inch diameter hole where the LED light would sit on. This is just a test run. I was just trying out to see if it'd work, and so far so good. An electrical line has fallen onto the road here, and electricity actually started the road on fire, and that's what you're seeing here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.